G'day guys, it's Rob from TAT. Today we've got a Toyota Hilux in that's coming with an engine light on and in limp mode, so stick with us and I'll show you what we found. So the first thing we did was obviously check for codes, and we had one code only, which was P0045, relating to the Boost Control Solenoid Circuit fault as such. So, due diligence checks, we obviously went over the control solenoid stepper motor circuit and everything appeared to be okay. We ended up finding that it had a faulty position sensor that was causing the issue of the turbo driver module not wanting to control the stepper motor. So I'll take you under there and I'll show you what we found and how we did it. So what we did is we left those same terminals on there, and we just grabbed the power probe and we manually powered it up, and we could get it to move so the rod was moving all the way. So we know the actual unit itself is working, and you can see on the right hand side that little rod that hangs out. We wanted to make sure that that was moving when we powered it up and down for the position sensor. But we found that obviously when with the position sensor plugged in, we had power and ground, but we had no signal on this side. You can turn it manually, and seeing it on the scope, it had no signal at all. As you can see here, the customer actually had his old unit in, so we plugged that in, and all I'm doing is moving it by hand. And as you can see on the scope, as I'm doing that, we are now working. So there you go guys, obviously a bit of a simple test there, but what's weird is that unplugging that position sensor didn't log a code at all, which is what might have thrown someone off. The fact that the position sensor would have an effect on that without logging a code. So being an early model, might not have been smart enough at that stage to log a code for that separate issue. So hopefully that makes sense, and yeah, look out for it if you get one of these. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.